Hey guys and gals, this is Kevin. Welcome to Speedway Motors. Today I'm going to show you what you're going to get in a box of a fast fuel injection conversion. Fuel air spark technology is what that stands for. So without any further ado, let's dig into the box of goodies here. Extremely nice packaging on these kits here. Everything's foam packed. Instructions, important, don't throw these away, read through them. They're going to come in handy for these. Main throttle body unit. This one here's got a really nice black finish on it. Bolts up to your standard 4150 carburetor, square bore pattern. Extremely nice unit. Throttle lever adjusts to fit all your throttle cables, kick down brackets, anything like that. They do have the handheld controller. This plugs in. Basically, you can set all your parameters for initial startup. You can do fine tuning, anything else that you're going to need, done right through this unit here. Inside the car, under the hood, wherever you want to plug that in. You could mount that to the windshield using the suction cup. Have everything easily accessible right there at the touch of a button. This here is your main computer. This is where all the magic takes place. Plug that in. A lot of people will mount these underneath the dash, somewhere up out of the way. Tuck the wires up. Just a nice clean unit. Got some miscellaneous gaskets and stuff here. Underneath comes wiring harnesses, all your sensors, all packaged nice. Everything's color coded. There's only one way these are going to go on. Pretty self-explanatory. They're all labeled. Fuel pump, tach, everything there. Nice setup. Follow the instructions along. No problem wiring those up. You got your cable for your handheld unit. O2 sensor supplied, very important for mapping out your fuel air ratios. Also your coolant temp sender, certain bungs to adapt into your engine, all the hardware, and some extra covering for your wires there. All in all, an extremely nice setup, easy to tune, don't have to worry about any adjustments, all done on the handheld, or it's self-learning. It can do everything you need to do as you're driving down the road. It takes care of itself. Cold starts, everything else goes by the wayside. If you have trouble with vapor lock in the old carburetors, this setup here will take care of that as well. Have any questions? Feel free to call us here at Speedway Motors or check us out on the website. We're happy to help anytime. Thanks a lot and have a great day.